ma'am, sir. Good morning. I'm introduce myself. I'm Licelsi Sinsida Hermedalla. I'm single mom. I have two children, 19 years old and 17 years old. I wish give me a chance and thank you so much for this opportunity. So I'm willing to learn more. So I'm joined to all this family that I've experienced in 11 years in Singapore. I look after the children, I look after the babies, I and have also one small cute dog and also the family I look after very well. So I love cooking. I have a positive mindset. I'm always happy to my job and yeah, I really look the family suitable to me, so I also happy to work and uh, uh, thank you to this opportunity and I wish you choose me one of your candidate so I can talk more to my experience in Singapore and I'm willing to learn more also and thank you so much. Give me chance and I wish you choose me. Thank you. God bless and have a nice day.